Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of Facts with Boom. I'm your host, Boom the Railway Cat, and today's facts are for Beaulieu Road. So let's begin. Beaulieu Road station is on the Southwestern Main Line, 88 miles, 6 chains, 141 kilometres down the line from London Waterloo. In 2018/2019, the station was used by 10,586 people, therefore making it the least used station in Hampshire. The station was built because Lord Montague asked them to build it because he owned Beaulieu Estate. When the railway company wanted to build the railway through his estate, he said, "You can build the railway through my estate as long as you give me a station." Therefore they gave him his own personal station called Beaulieu Road, which is 3.5 miles away from the village of Beaulieu, so it doesn't really serve Beaulieu, it's just there called Beaulieu Road. And Ash behind the camera has told me that the station has a pub and a hotel, so that's interesting. And that's all for today, so thank you very much for listening. Remember to stay alert.